If you're like most women, you're probably following what the experts say in order to get rid of negative emotions. They say to do deep breathing and to journal and to just push through it. But those things never seem to work, do they? I am a certified spiritual life coach, and I've helped hundreds of women 40 and over to not only dissolve the negative emotions that they're feeling, but to unleash the empowerment that has been trapped in these negative emotions. And in this video, I'd like to share with you the same process that I've helped other women use so that you can do the same thing. And you can use this anywhere at any time. So, lots of times it is thought to be weak to accept that you have negative emotions. But really, it's wise. By accepting a negative emotion, you are starting to unlock the empowerment in them. And it doesn't make sense to push these things away because you know that whatever you resist persists. So instead of just trying to push through these negative emotions, accept them. And again, that empowerment that is locked within it will rise up for you to be able to access. So if you like where I'm going with this, I think you'll love the free Calm in the Moment kit I've created. It has a 3-minute meditation that you can use to set yourself up for a successful day, and you can use it at night to get some peaceful rest. It has a 1-minute reset that you can use all throughout the day so that you can release these negative emotions and unleash the empowerment underneath them. And it also has 15 journal prompts that you can use whenever you have time to really sit down and look at your life. Maybe look at the emotions that you've been stuffing down and look at where you want to go, especially as we're heading into 2026. If you'd like access to this, just comment CALM below the video here and I'll send you the link. So I'm going to ask you another question. What is one emotion that has been bothering you today or maybe during this week or the last few weeks? Keep that in mind as we do the process. And I'd like you to take a look at my jacket. This is the color magenta. It's an even blend of blue and red, but it's not just a color that you see with your eyes. It is a quantum color that carries the frequency of peace and harmony. It carries the energy of peace and harmony. So I want you to keep this color in mind while we're doing the process, and also the negative emotion that you've been stuffing down. So breathe in this wonderful magenta color. Let it go to your heart and then let it circulate all throughout your body. Breathe out any stress or any tension. You can loosen any stress in your shoulders or in your neck, your forehead. Just feel calm and relaxed. Let that magenta color do its job. And then breathe in again. This wonderful magenta color, let it go to your heart and let it circulate all throughout your body, bringing peace and harmony to every cell. And breathe out that negative emotion that you've been carrying today or this week or the last couple of weeks. And then breathe in again. This wonderful energy of peace and harmony. Breathe it into your heart. Let it circulate all throughout your body to every cell. And then breathe out that negative emotion you've been holding on to. And one more time, breathe in this wonderful energy of peace and harmony. Let it go to every cell in your body. Breathe out any stress or tension that you're feeling. And just lay back into this peaceful energy. It's the energy of peace and harmony. And just feel the freedom that you have now. Freedom from this negative emotion that you've been holding on to. And if you're feeling more calm, if you're feeling more empowered through this process, then like this video. It'll let other women know who are feeling the stress of negative emotions and loss of power that this is something that they should take a look at. And if you'd like the Calm in the Moment kit, just comment calm below the video here and I'll send you the link. And if you'd like to take this Create Inner Peace even further, I've created another video, Create Inner Peace, that you can access right here.